And what they're going to do now, they're going to grind the sugar over their head. They're going to basically uh, shower them with sweetness. And for those of you who haven't been to Persian ceremonies before, I want to give you heads up. Sometimes that because of the commotion going on, the bride might get distracted. I might ask her once or twice and not get a response. If that happens, don't be concerned. Relax. I know what I'm doing. I've done it before. I know how to entice her eventually to get the I do from her, get the ballet. And I'm going to ask you, Shirin John, for the first time. خانم شیرین کاظمی، آیا به من اجازه و نمایندگی می دهید که شما را به عقد و ازدواج دائمی آقای علیرضا نگهبان درآورده و این پیوند را استوار کنم